Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to back up your Messenger chat safely. Backing up your chat is crucial to ensure you never lose important conversation. First, log in to your Messenger through your app. Go to Settings on your phone or laptop and find the settings called Privacy and Safety. And open it, go to End-to-End Encrypted Chat, and open it and go to Manage Storage. Once it opens, it will show you the last backup and the date created. You can download all your messages from here to save it remotely on your device. And now you can click Download File to save all the data in your laptop or your device. Remotely, enter your password and you are good to go.